What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. So in this video, I want to talk about Tesla and get your opinion. I just simply want to make you guys aware of three things. So one of the first things that I want to make you guys all aware of, that you guys, if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys should 100% know, is if you look at the 180-day 4-hour chart, looking at the overall SMA line, it's showing signs of a descending pattern, and the SMA line has been acting as a resistance. So the really cool thing about that is that, well, it's selling off. And fortunately, now it's at a price point that, based off of not even a 1-year analysis, but looking at a 3-year analysis, it's extremely oversold. So the question is it time to either just simply watch Tesla or to actually buy it? One of the things that we try to focus on most when it comes down to our group of TechBot Solutions and Learn, Plan, Profit is making sure that we wait for confirmation. So again, this is kind of a trick question. Do you want to buy the dip when Tesla is extremely oversold at 52-week lows? Or should you be a little bit more patient and wait for confirmation? Or for those that completely doubt, Elon Musk, do you think that Tesla is completely done? I wanted to make this video a little bit more entertaining, so I'm going to welcome my buddy Caleb, who is an extreme Elon Musk and Tesla supportee, right? So let him bring his bricks over here. And
hey, whoa. What are you talking about?
What's going on, man? So Elon had a recent event that he hosted, and what did he talk about?
So it was the autonomy event. So basically updating the world on their software development and hardware development for the autonomy.
Okay, so what does that mean?
So basically they're advancing a lot faster than they were expecting to for full autonomy. And
what is autonomy?
Oh, so full autonomy means a car that completely drives itself.
All right, so can you explain the 5 stages of autonomy?
Yeah, so basically, to sum it up, the first stage is like the very simple stuff where it keeps you in your lane and kind of keeps the speed for you. And then level 5 is full on, can go through stop signs, can avoid, pedestrians or balls bouncing in the street. And even everyone's been on road trips where the lines kind of disappear. It can even go through all that, no problem.
One of the biggest things that Elon talked about is being able to have that form of automation and being able to almost like innovate the market when it comes down to like Uber and Lyft, right? Do you want to explain a little bit more about that?
Exactly. So what he's calling it is robo-taxi, and he's wanting to combine basically Airbnb and Lyft and Uber into a program where you can basically rent out your Tesla to their software and pay Tesla a 25 to 30% fee, and basically allow your Tesla to work for you pretty much 24/7 until it comes back to you to recharge and then go back out to pick up customers again. Basically, if you look on there, it's really cool because someone can buy a $38,000 Model 3 and be able to generate $30,000 a year profit from that.
The really funny thing about this, and the reason that I thought it'd be so interesting to bring Caleb, is as soon as he finished that watching that event, the next day he ran straight to the office, did all the numbers when it came down to ordering a new Tesla Model 3 with the automation package, which then can be upgraded when the robo-taxi comes out. And he was like, Ricky, just give me 5 to 10 minutes and I'm going to explain to you why this is going to be one of the best investments that you make in your life. And I 100%, like, you guys know that I think that for a lot of people that are in the technology kind of niche, are huge believers, right, and huge supporters of Elon Musk. But now it comes down to the understanding that, like, this last earnings, if I'm not mistaken, they reported over $700 million in losses.
Yeah.
So I think it's great, the innovation that he's been able to, be able to provide in this market, but it's to get to that point that he said within 1 year, right?
Yeah.
But looking at how things are going and how things are struggling for Tesla, will they even make it a year? Or in reality, again, when it comes down to them expecting, or when you order a Tesla Model 3 and it says 2 weeks, but people actually get it a month or a month and a half later. Now, what is going to be expected when it comes down to this, guarantee of these robo-taxis within 1 year, and what's actually going to happen?
Exactly. And I think that Elon Musk has a history of doing this. He overpromises. And really, I can't even blame him for overpromising because he really needs the funding, and for a lot of people to believe in it, they have to buy into it. But overall, I really bet on him because he puts in the hard work, he's dedicated, and he's really consistent. And he has a really smart group of people, which he really showed that off in that autonomy event yesterday. So I'm super pumped.
Okay, so if you said that you would bet on it, we have Tesla on a 3-year analysis at an overall low. Why not buy the dip and put everything, all your assets, into that?
Because I could drive a Model S, I can't drive my stocks.
Okay. But yeah, altogether, again, if you guys look at the 180-day chart, if you guys look at the 1-year chart, if you guys look at the 3-year chart for ticker symbol Tesla, which is TSLA, it's at an overall low. I simply wanted to make you guys all aware of how oversold Tesla is, and if you guys think that it's a good deal. Again, like we know, confirmation is key, and for all those conservative traders, then again, it's going to be very important for us to at least get some form of indication of an uptrend after and if it actually bounces at that support. So again, I want to thank you guys again so much for your time. I actually want to thank everyone that tuned in to our free live trading session today. We did absolutely an amazing job, especially due to the natural gas report. If you guys want to check out that free live trading session, that's going to be that first link in the description, and a little incentive for you for those that tune in to the very end of the video. There's a $75 off coupon for the Learn Plan Profit course, and again, that's going to be that second link in the description whenever it is that you are ready. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Thank you, Caleb. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.
Oh, and don't forget, hey, don't pause it. If this video gets at least 25 likes, Ricky is going to buy me a Tesla Model X, all right? So like it up.